Hello everybody and welcome to Mother Rabbit's Kitchen. Today we are making such a simple breakfast. As you can tell, I'm in major breakfast mode. I've got my Christmas sweatshirt on even though it's past Christmas. It's just a 2XL men's sweatshirt. I'm gonna wear it forever, every day, every season for the rest of my life. I actually bought it for my husband from Goodwill and then I stole it from him. I think he wore it once and then I decided that it was just way too cozy. It's like wearing a blanket. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about avocado toast, which is one of the healthiest things you can eat for breakfast, especially when you make it on freshly milled wheat sourdough bread. If you haven't seen that video yet, you can click on one of the corners. I think I know how to put things in corners. So I just actually popped these slices out of the freezer and I'm gonna toast them up in just a minute, but I'm gonna get started on a very simple avocado toast topping. All you need is an avocado. This one is very ripe, might be a little bit overripe. We'll see how it looks inside. You need a little bit of lemon, some really good coarse salt. This is Redmond unrefined coarse salt. It's actually meant for a grinder. It's really, really coarse and I love it. So get yourself some Redmond salt. And then of course, yummy everything bagel seasoning, which basically tastes good on everything. So we're gonna sprinkle that on at the end. So let's get started. All we're gonna do here is start cutting our avocado. You're gonna want a sharp knife and just keep your fingers out of the way. We're gonna slice through it halfway and then just move the avocado so that we get that knife all the way around. And then just like an Oreo cookie, you twist and there you go. It's actually a really good ripe avocado. I was afraid I was gonna see some brown spots, but it's really, really good looking. Now to get your pit or your seed. Is it a seed or a pit? I'm not really sure. If you know, tell me in the comments. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of the seed pit and we're just gonna take our sharp knife, fingers out of the way and give a little crack like that to get it there. And then again, a little twist. And then you can just pop this off and discard this. All we're gonna do is keep the avocado in the skin momentarily. We're gonna take our knife and just make cuts all the way to the skin, but not through the skin, obviously. Do that to the other side, kind of like a little checkerboard. Then you'll take a spoon and you're gonna go in between that gorgeous green flesh and the skin, and you're just going to slip all of that yummy avocado flesh out. Do that to the other one. We just have our avocado in the bowl and we're gonna squeeze in some lemon juice. So this is half a lemon. I'm going to squeeze the lemon through my fingers and I'm gonna squeeze about half of what's in here. And then I just put this back in the fridge in a little baggie and then I have more lemon for my next use. So then just squeeze it. Oh yeah, I have lots of pits coming out. So just enough that about half of the juice comes out. All you need to add to this now is that gorgeous salt. So I'm just gonna take a little pinch, sprinkle it on. I'm gonna take a fork and just gently mash. Oh my gosh, that's so good. The brightness and freshness of the lemon is insane. And this salt is the best salt. I didn't know there was a difference in how salt could taste until I discovered Redmond. I know it sounds like this is sponsored, but I'm not popular enough on YouTube to get sponsors. So this is actually authentic. Check out that gorgeous salt. I'm gonna give you a close-up of this. Can you see? So right now, I'm just gonna toast up my sourdough here. While we're waiting for the sourdough toast to get nice and toasty, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite mugs. Can you see what it says? Damascotta Lake Farm. If you've never heard of that, Google it when you're done watching this video. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous farmhouse rental on Damascotta Lake in Maine. It's owned by my cousin and her husband, and they are incredible, and this house is amazing. They do weddings, they do, you and your family, even extended family, because it's that big, can stay there and rent it. Total side note, has nothing to do with avocado toast, but And again, not sponsored unless, you know, my cousin wants to start paying me for this. But yeah, check out Damariscotta Lake Farm. It's a really special place. It's been in our family for generations. My grandparents, our grandparents, were part owners of this place, I don't know, in the 60s. She knows a lot better than that. She knows the history. See how good that looks? I'm doing a video. You look like a cockatoo. Show everybody your hair. You might have to get a little bit lower. Come here. Scoot down so you can see your morning, your bed head.
It woke me up. And then Oreo came in again.
All right, now be quiet because I'm back in my video. All right, I've got my, dang it. I've got my sourdough nice and toasty. I like it really well done when I have avocado toast. I'm gonna take my avocado, lemon, and salt mixture and I'm just gonna spread it on. Give it a little schmear. Look how pretty that is. All right, I'm gonna pile it high and deep. That is a What About Bob reference for anybody who doesn't know. Okay, so I basically use the entire avocado on this. I usually try to use half of the avocado when I make breakfast so I can save the other half for the next breakfast. So we're not done yet though. All we have to do, I usually take a tiny bit of salt and then just, because it just looks pretty and it tastes amazing. And then give a little sprinkly dinkle of your everything bagel seasoning. What could be better than this? So healthy, so delicious, so fresh, Whole Foods. Go make this so good. Sky, you want to taste the avocado toast? You like it?